na-twist na yung kneecap ko, it went around. What? Yeah.
Pa rin talaga if you really have that experience of discipline, going through hardship, kasi
that builds you up.
Totoo, agree ako, direct Mamba mentality.
What keeps you motivated?
What keeps me going is...
Podcast na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan. Pinagsamang veterano.
One big push talaga sa akin naging maayos. Yung thinking ko nung nagpapapayat ako. I have 2 operations. I have ACL, MCL, and then this one is patella. Actually, mayroon pa isa, hindi to basketball naman to. Torn muscle. So, due to heavy weight. So, yeah, ilang beses na ako pinagsabihan ng doktor ko na magpalit ako ulit. So, before you change someone else, you have to change yourself first. Yeah. Naging starting point ko na naging consistent ako sa gym. Talagang inubos ko sa therapy. If I'm not mistaken, meron akong 280, 270. I think I have a picture. The same word na lead as an example.
Correct.
So, kailangan makita muna sa'yo bago ka makapag-train or makapag-pass on. So, sports is big influence ng sa buhay ko, being a mayor as well. Kasi unang-una, doon ko nakuha yung self-discipline, yung proper timing, yung consistency, yung lahat ng basic na ginagamit ko for my work. Minsan tamad na ako, hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Kasi una-una, you oath for your job. Pangalawa, yun na rin yung naging hobby ko na talagang kailangan tuloy-tuloy, kailangan consistency.
What keeps you motivated?
Siyempre, for me din kasi, what keeps me going is yung challenge ko sa sarili ko. Ako yun ang tip ko lagi eh.
Yes.
Yung sarili ko yung china-challenge ko. Yun lang talaga. I just have to level up every day what I do. Just be consistent. Every day, just 1%. In the end of the day, aabot ka na sa 100%. So yun yung mentality ko. You don't have to be perfect right away. Take it day by day. A little percent every day. Pag sama-sama mo na yun, most probably you're gonna be more successful than what you are now.
I think magandang ma-apply yun sa day-to-day living nyo. I mean, hindi mo naman kailangan maging sobrang pogs or sobrang galing sa ginagawa mo. But if day by day, ginagawa mo siya, one thing you'll know. Sabi nga ni Mayor, 100% ka na.
I remember this saying na sinasabi nila na it's not over until I win.
Yeah, it was maganda yun. So you won't stop until you're there.
Exactly. So always pursuing a better version of yourself.
Yes.
Di ba pa rin talaga if you really have that experience of discipline, going through hardship.
Eto, na-twist na yung kneecap ko, it went around.